To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Locate the group chat you would like to ignore, then press and hold on it to bring up the options menu. From the pop-up menu, select Ignore. Review what happens after ignoring the chat, then tap Ignore to confirm. The group chat will be moved to your archive folder. You won't receive notifications from that group, and members won't be notified that you ignored the chat. To undo or stop ignoring, tap the three-line menu in the bottom right corner. Then, go to Archive. You'll see the group chats you've recently ignored at the top of the list. Long press the one you want to unignore. From the menu that appears at the bottom, select Unarchive. The group chat will be moved back to your main chat list, and you will start receiving notifications from it again. Ignoring a group chat helps you avoid unwanted messages and notifications without alerting other members. Keep in mind that the Ignore option is only available for group chats, not individual conversations. So that's how you can ignore group chats on Facebook Messenger.